Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Featured on the Hugging Face trending list and published just 2 days ago on June 23, 2026, this paper is titled, "Are we ready for an agent-native memory system?" The authors systematically evaluate 12 memory setups to show that no single architecture dominates. Instead, trace-preserving memories like MemoChat achieve a 55% task success rate, while graph structures excel at factual updates. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Figure 1 diagrams the 4 main architectural styles of large language model agent memory. The first style, shown on the top left, is a streaming log workflow where experiences are saved chronologically and periodically summarized by a reflection step. Next to it, on the right, hierarchical tiers dynamically manage information flow by moving data between high-capacity archival storage and active core memory. On the bottom left, the knowledge graph workflow organizes entities and relations to handle factual updates, while the bottom right illustrates a multi-paradigm hybrid system that routes memory objects across multiple specialized databases. Figure 2 details the concrete memory representation methods. On the top left, token-level sequences use either explicit discrete text or implicit latent state vectors, which are mathematical lists of numbers representing compressed information. Moving to the top right, graph and tree-based topologies capture complex relationships, like a temporal knowledge graph or hierarchical tree. Finally, the bottom panel introduces heterogeneous composite representations, which bundle metadata, text, embeddings, and graphs together into a single memory object. Table 1 organizes these representation techniques into a complete taxonomy, dividing 14 memory systems into 3 main architectural categories. For the sequential context methods, shown in the top rows, models like MemoChat rely on simple token-level sequences and transient registers. In contrast, the structural topological category, listed in the middle, introduces tree or graph structures, which map out explicit relations between facts. Finally, the multi-paradigm hybrid category at the bottom combines heterogeneous composite representations with multi-engine databases to support complex agent tasks. Figure 7 compares these memory systems across 3 key benchmarks. For cross-session factual recall on the long memeval benchmark, shown across the top row, structural topological methods like ZEP local lead, achieving about 48% large language model judge accuracy. Moving to the bottom left panels, which plot the Locomo conversation benchmark, multi-paradigm hybrid systems like MemoryOS and MemOS achieve the highest scores, including an exact match rate of nearly 12%. Finally, the bottom right panels show that on database operations, trace-preserving sequential context methods like MemoChat perform best, achieving a 55% task success rate. Table 2 evaluates how well these memory setups handle dynamic updates. For the Locomo temporal benchmark in the left columns, MemOS achieves the highest exact match score of 9%. In the middle columns covering knowledge updates, ZEP leads with a substring exact match of 44%, showing that graph structures excel at overwriting stale facts. Finally, on the far right, Cogni dominates temporal reasoning with a 36% F1 score because its relational structure successfully links scattered evidence. Figure 11 highlights the critical trade-offs between normalized utility and query latency. Panel A, on the left, maps the cost-effectiveness frontier, demonstrating that while highly structured systems like Cogni and ZepLocal offer high utility, they require over 100 seconds per query. Meanwhile, LightMem and MemTree sit on a much more efficient frontier. Panel B, on the right, breaks this latency down by benchmark, revealing that, on Longbench, some systems experience massive latency spikes, with ZepLocal taking over 2,800 seconds per query. Ultimately, building agent-native memory systems requires moving beyond flat vector databases. Developers must adopt modular, workload-aligned designs to balance rich structure with localized maintenance. That wraps up this look at agent-native memory. I am Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. I will see you in the next one.